Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We go by Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube. We have another What's Sold video for you today. It is Tuesday, March 18th. We're going to follow Kathy around to see what's sold for us today.
Alrighty. So, Mercari first. I already pulled one of the items. Another pair of these fleece sandals. This, I think, was the only one I had in this color. So these ones just sold for an offer of $23 plus buyer paid ship. So about doubling my money because I had $10 into those guys. And then our viewer Viviana, who I had to cancel on the other day, was still nice to me and bought something else. So she actually, she had bought one of these from me the other day on Poshmark, and then she found that I had another one. I actually have two more, so she made me an offer on one, and I told her I'd give her a deal if she wanted both, so she accepted $10 plus shipping for the both of those guys.
Thank you so much for your support, Viviana.
Thanks for trusting me again. Alright, and then we had two Facebook sales. So box P, these are some Berkeys I just picked up like last week, I think, and I have $9 into them. They sold for $50 plus shipping. And box CD, another Facebook sale. These were some teens, so these were listed the first day that we like did our live and everything for trying out Facebook Marketplace. So Chris actually listed those ones, and I guess I never switched these to paid shipping, but it was the same price. So like a couple days after we listed these, we did free shipping on the live, and I changed them all to paid shipping, but I must have missed this one. So they sold for $29 free ship. 9 of that was already accounted for the shipping, so basically $20 plus ship. These are from my 65 pair day, so I have about $4 and some change into them.
Those are selling off pretty good.
Just less than 20 left, I think. Right, and then box CD. Was I just in here? Yeah, I was. Uh-oh. Oh, there we are. Whew, I always get nervous. Alrighty, so these are just some Riley and Crew owl jogger pants. So these sold for, oh, these two are Citizen sales. I don't know if I already said that. $37.95 free shipping. Shipping now is $4.15 through the app. I did get the label because this person lived kind of far from us, so to go through pirate ship would not really have benefited me at all. And box O is my other Citizen sale. Childhood's jogger pants, and these ones sold for $36.10 free shipping. And yeah, those ones also cost $4.15 to ship out, so they're sticky. Then we had a few Poshmark sales. CG, Skechers Shape Up Fisherman Sandals.
Interesting.
I actually had these ones for a while, I think like since end of last summer, so they took a while to sell, but made a little profit. I did pay $8 for them, and they only sold for $28 with discounted shipping. So the discounted shipping you can send free now, $4.99 or $5.95. I did $4.99 for them, so I made about $19.94, so $10-ish profit on those.
I'm just trying to think about what Joey Bada Bing would be thinking about those.
Probably thinking they crumbled already. Right, and then CR, actually the next two sales are both in here. So one is another pair of the Hurley swim trunks. These ones are my favorite. I'm going to be sad when they're all gone. And then, so these ones sold on Posh. Someone offered me $24. I accepted because I have 6 into them. These ones are some spider swim trunks, and someone offered me $25. I accepted. I do have $10 into these ones, so about double my money and a little more than that on these.
Swim trunks are selling really well right now,
Yeah,
guys. If you have any, get them listed. And if you have them listed, get them shared and maybe even relist them, because ours are selling quick.
I'm all crazy. So next up is on. So the rest of these sales are eBay. Sold these Timberland boots. I bought these at Goodwill for $12.99. I sold them on eBay for $39.95 plus shipping. In the box Q, I think I just heard our kid open his bedroom door from nap. So he's probably going to be loud in just a second.
They'll probably just find their iPad.
This hasn't sold yet. Who wants a voodoo doll thingy? Alright, so these little Jordan 1 baby shoes, I only have $2 into them. I've had them a few months, maybe like since November or something. So I had a watcher on them. I already dropped the price recently. Like it was a newly relisted item where I had taken off shipping all together. Like they were listed at 20 plus ship. So I just did 20 free ship. Then we had a sale running. And then when people watch my items, I can't not send them at least like 5% more off. So I did that. And this person paid $16.68 free ship. So shipping will only be about $3.50. I'll make a few bucks off of those.
That's just called closing the sale.
Yeah, I still pick them up. Like, I couldn't leave these at the thrift for $2, but the girl Jordans don't do as well as boy Jordans. Mm-hmm. But yeah, it's all about the cost. Like, I still pick them up. All right, this was a full sale. These were those loudmouth stars and striped shorts. That I got from the bins for my stimulus check challenge. They sold for $39.95 free shipping in just like 2 days of being listed. I listed them at $50. I saw some sold between $40 to $50. So I did $50. They're a good size. I'm in 42. So I knew that they would sell well. I didn't know they'd sell that fast.
Yeah.
They also had a couple stains, and then also the red had color bled in some spots.
Yeah.
Because they're like a dry clean only short, so someone probably didn't dry clean only them. And yeah, I didn't rewash those actually, even though they're from the bins, because I saw that they were dry clean only, and I saw that they already had the color bleed, so I wasn't gonna chance making it worse. So yeah, I just disclosed it all.
And they weren't super funky or anything. I mean, they were fairly clean anyway. Yeah.
Yeah, they look like they'd been washed. Just, but yeah, definitely look out for that brand. That sold super fast. And I don't think it's just because they're like American flag print. I think any of their stuff is just kind of like people look for it. Alright, and then on the table, I already pulled out the bra that sold. So another bra. And this one sold for $21.96 plus shipping. Alright, and then last but not least is a hanging jacket. Alright, this one was actually my personal. Well, I think I wore it like 2 times because it just was a little too fancy for me. But it's just a weave it free. I got this at TJ Maxx. I think I paid $59.99 for it, and I wore it. Then I sold it for $48.36 plus ship. So lost a little bit on it, but got a nice photo of myself wearing it. So I guess that's good enough. So yeah.
I see you put the table close to the shipping station.
Well, I did that mostly because but yeah, it'll be nice.
Yeah, it'll be nice to pack them up. So we're going to go ahead and pack these up, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we just got that stuff all packed up, ready to go. And I think we're going to go over our momentum board. We haven't done that in a couple days just because the week. Let me stand over here.
I didn't do nothing yesterday.
Oh, yeah, I was going to show you. Look how the aftermath of the blizzard. It's all off the streets. Our yard is pretty much emptied up. Back to normal.
So Sunday, nothing. Monday, I listed 23 items for $680 plus shipping, potential profit. Have not cross-posted those 23 yet. I have all the tabs open, but we're about to, after we leave here, go to the post office. We're going to take our kids to do something until bedtime.
We've been cooped up a little bit. We like to get out after a blizzard.
So we'll do that. After they go to bed tonight, I'll probably do the cross-posting, which means I probably won't get anything listed today that's new listings. But I did a ton of relist this morning and just other things to help my shops out. So that's okay. That's when I'm doing cross-posting all like together instead of how we want to do it starting in April. It kind of like always puts me behind a day. That's why I kind of want to do. That's why we're going to try out eBay only first. So basically, if I had listed these 23 to only eBay, the next day I would just start on eBay again with new, and then buy whatever. I don't know if we've decided a week or 2 yet, but then the next Monday I would start the cross-posting process. So
just sound like
hopefully a bunch
cycle.
would have already sold off at that point, and then I wouldn't have to cross-post them. So.
Right.
Yeah, so that's what we're working on. Everything, my 23 items were basically all these shoes, and then these some like kid shirts from our kids' closets that they don't wear anymore. I photographed these, but then I was like, I feel like we need to wash them again. Like, they've been just sitting, and I don't know. So
well, that one there we never washed.
Oh, okay. That could be it then. I was like, it looks just...
There was a couple that you were thinking didn't need to be
I
cleaned.
didn't sell them like looking like that. So
Yeah.
I just put those in the dishwasher. But yeah. So,
We have been using Barkeeper's Friend to clean that kind of stuff, and it shines up the bottoms pretty nice for pictures. But yeah, so that's what... That's kind of what we got going on. Reese came up to say hi. Hey, Reese. Oh. So I was able to set up a time lapse in the backyard, or facing the backyard of the snow, and I was kind of going through the footage a little bit. I'll probably edit it up and put it right after this. So if you're interested in seeing the snow that we got, we didn't get a whole lot where we're at, but it was pretty windy, and we did get some pretty big drifts in our backyard and along the car and stuff like that. So, but if that's something you're interested in, I'll go ahead and tag it here. But other than that, we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.